How to download and install AI Flashcard app on Android. First of all, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Then in the search bar at the top, type Knowt AI Flashcard and tap the search button. Once the result appears, look for the app in the list developed by Knowt. Tap on it to open the app page. After that, press the install button and the download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments to complete. Once installed, you will see the open button in the Play Store, or you can find the app icon directly on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it and the AI Flashcard app will launch. Now you are ready to create, customize and start with smart flashcards powered by AI, making your learning more effective and organized. Now you know how to download and install an AI Flashcard app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.